Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out and switch accounts in Call of Duty Mobile. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Call of Duty Mobile application. Step 2. Now that you're in the game, locate the small settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. It's usually shaped like a gear or cog. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. In the settings menu, you'll see multiple options. On the left side of the screen, scroll down until you find the Legal and Privacy section. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 4. Once you're in the Legal and Privacy section, scroll all the way down and you'll see the Log Out option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to begin the process of logging out of your current account. Step 5. The last and most important step is a confirmation prompt. You will see a message asking if you're sure you want to log out of your current account. To confirm, simply tap on Yes, and you will instantly be logged out of the game. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.